Setúbal, Portugal is full of surprises. After exploring the bustling Mercado do Livramento and the scenic drive through Arabida Natural Park, I discovered another treasure, São Simão Arte, a workshop where Portugal's centuries-old tile tradition comes alive. Village within Ah-zay-TOWN, part of the Setúbal municipality. Here, artisans continue the craft of ah-zoo-LAY-zhush, the decorative tiles that have shaped Portugal's identity for centuries.
Decoration, but in the beginning of the 16th century, which is when we started making tiles, it wasn't
In Portugal, you'll often hear the word azul-LAY-zhush.
against the rain and to keep our houses cool during the summer.
These are the famous ceramic tiles, usually painted in blue and white, though they can be richly colorful too. Introduced centuries ago, ah-zoo-LAY-zhush became a hallmark of Portuguese culture, decorating churches, palaces, train stations, and even everyday homes. They tell stories, preserve history, and add beauty to the places we live and visit.
For that reason, a lot of the first tiles that we ever did are scattered around the world, but mainly in Brazil and in India. Okay. Here we still make our tiles as we did in the beginning of the 16th century, with only two differences. The first is that now we use electric kilns to fire them, and the second is we stopped cutting tiles with pliers and then polishing them against the ground, and started using a diamond saw to cut them. Other than those two things, the process is the same as it was. We also make all our tiles by hand, and they are all made one by one.
Here, at São Simão Arte, the word arte simply means art. It reflects not just decoration, but the creativity and craftsmanship behind each tile. Every cut of clay, every brush stroke, and every firing in the oven is part of this living art form. Visiting this workshop is more than seeing tiles. It's experiencing Portuguese culture shaped by hand, piece by piece.
Start from the top. Either way, it's fine. But go like that.
Go like this one.
The other
This
way,
way?
yeah. Yeah, just a little less than. Doesn't have to be 100%.
Corner is harder.
Yeah. Normally we use the fingers to avoid the clay going all the way,
Nice.
but it doesn't need to be 100% perfect.
Yeah, I think I
No, that's fine. Don't worry.
Then came the fun part. We were invited to paint our own tiles. Each visitor created one, guided by the artisan's tips. It was hands-on, creative, and gave me a deeper appreciation for the skill involved. If you enjoyed this journey into Portuguese tile making, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel stories. Want to see more of Setúbal? Check out my videos on the Mercado do Livramento and Arrábida Natural Park. Links below.